Assalamualaikum. It's me Samariana Mutin, but please call me Rihanna because my friends and family call me Rihanna. I am 12 years old. I read in class 5. My school name is Ideal School and College. It is situated in Motijil area in Dhaka City. My address: I live in Goa and I have been living there for last 5 years. There are 3 members in my family: my father, mother, and me. I am only child of my parents. My father name is MDH Khairun Rajiv and my mother name is Bangladesh Khairun Rina. My father is a banker and my mother is a housewife. My hobby is drawing, skating, and dance. My favorite color is pink, purple, and black. My favorite food is pizza and pasta. I have visited lots of countries in my life. They are Nepal, Thailand, India, etc. Thank you all. Bye bye.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।